Hey guys, I'm going to run you through the new JobTread migration service that we offer from BuilderTrend, migrating your data into JobTread. So we're on winyourdata.com/migration. If you go to Win Your Data and you just go to the menu up here, products, data migration is right here, or you can do /migration. Two things you'll notice: our assessment is free. It used to cost money. Now we're doing a free assessment, and we have a nice predictable range. It's either going to cost between $299 and $2,999. We try to keep that range tight and predictable, which helps the users know exactly about what they're going to pay for the migration. We're going to start the free assessment. We go here. We're going to create our free DataX account, and we're going to sign in. Once we're logged in, it's going to take you directly to the migration portal. If you're not on the migration portal, you can click over here in the sidebar on migration. The assessment is free. We have our simple pricing. We're going to start the assessment. First thing you need to do, this is your BuilderTrend migration credentials. Your username and password. We're going to analyze data. And so you'll notice three things here. One, we're analyzing your data. Typically it takes about 15 minutes. We've seen it as fast as 5 minutes or under 5 minutes for some people. And if it's a little bit larger, then it's going to be maybe about 15 minutes. You're going to get an email when you start this, when this assessment starts. So you'll know, hey, the assessment's starting. And then we're also going to email you when the assessment's done. You'll notice up here, we have JobTread pending. This means our JobTread connection is not set up. So we're missing our JobTread API grant key. For when we're ready to do the migration, we need that JobTread grant key connection so we can push your data into JobTread. BuilderTrend credentials are good here. If your credentials are bad, as it's doing this analyzing your data, it's gonna pause and say, hey, your credentials are wrong. Maybe you typed in the wrong password or the wrong username, and it's gonna prompt you to redo your credentials. And just hit update credentials and it'll rerun the assessment again. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, set up on your BuilderTrend account, it will ask you, it will pop up here with a box to type in your 2FA code once you get it, whether via text or via email. You just type in your 2FA code in here, hit submit. We'll keep assessing your data. Okay? And so let's come back when it's done analyzing. Okay, my analysis is done and I connected my JobTread grant key. So this is green now, my JobTread's connected and my BuilderTrend credentials were good. We're looking at everything in my BuilderTrend account. So you'll see we've got the full everything here. The total amount is going to be $34.87 if I select everything, all 15 out of 15 items. I can deselect all here and just bring over my core data, which is going to be like company name, some basic cost codes, cost types, that kind of stuff to get you running in JobTread. So that's the very minimum. If you want that, it's there. We can go in and click. We want jobs, we want change orders, or you select all and say, hey, maybe I don't want time clocks. Maybe I don't want biz. We got 0 items here, 0 items here. I don't want bills. I only have 1 bill. I only have 2 receipts. So let's take those out. And so it's going to adjust our pricing based on the things that we unchecked. Then we're going to continue to payment. It's going to show you everything you're paying for. You can pay right here. You can do a card, US Bank, Google Pay, Amazon Pay. You type in your stuff and you can pay. So let's go ahead and pay this and show you what happens after you pay. So you can see my payment successful, and that all that big checkbox collapses into here. So if you wanted to see everything, you can see it here. Then we get our pre-migration checklist. And so grant key is set. It's auto-detected because you can see it up here. It's detecting it too. If you don't have your grant key set, that will be unchecked and you'll need to go set it up. Then we've got, these are manual checkboxes for things that you need to do before the migration is ready. Not necessarily you have to do it right now, but before you schedule it. So you want to make sure your JobTread workflows are disabled before migration. You want to make sure your QuickBooks sync is turned off before migration. Other integrations that might be affected turned off, such as like Zillow data running or Google Maps pulling data every time a job is created, or some type of invoicing or a different bookkeeping software. Any other integration that might be affected from a mass data import needs to be turned off. And then you want to pick. You say, hey, I want to do this Monday at 10 a.m. Submit your migration schedule. We get an email. We reach out just to confirm everything's good. We'll schedule your migration. You'll be good to go. That's it. Thanks. Bye.